Hi everyone, this is Mitch. Welcome to my video blog, and today I'll just be showing you guys how I documented the recent events on the winter weather that ravaged through Texas. So you pretty much heard from the news about the Arctic blast that produced a lot of winter storms and ice storms in Texas. Alright, driving very slowly. It's slippery. I have to go out because we're running out of food and water. Alright, I'll drive. Alright, so I'm here at the groceries. That was one heck of a slippery ride. I hope I can get back safely because the roads are really slippery. But I have to go out because we're running out of supplies. We're running out of water and food. And while I was driving on the way here, there's a lot of cars stranded on the side of the road. So hopefully today won't be that slippery. At least some roads are drying up, but there are some parts that are inclined that are really slippery. So hopefully I'll get back home safely. All right, later. All right, so I'm stuck in the road. It's very slick on the way up, and I don't know what to do. I'll figure this out. So I'm out of here right now to get. So earlier in the morning, I went to the grocery because we were running out of supplies. But on the way back, the road is so slick that I can't get up to the hill. So I had to abandon my car on the side of the road. So I just walked my way down to my apartment to rest a bit, warm up, and I had to bring my little one's wagon so I can get the groceries from the car. I will be leaving the car overnight, I think, because it will be very dangerous. All right, hopefully I'll get back safe. All right, I'm almost near my car. It's probably about 1.5 miles, but I'm taking my time. So beautiful out here. You know, situations like this remind us that, nature is a formidable force. We have to take care of our nature. I'm here in my car. Need to get these groceries, and maybe when it's light enough, I'll try to give it a shot driving it back to my apartment. But it's getting dark, so I need to move fast. Alright, so this is day 2 of having no power and water. We're hunkered down here in our apartment, and we're just getting creative with how we survive here by using some of our camping gears and stove. I never thought I'd cook snow in Texas. Alright, day 2 without power. I'm heading out to the car because it's stranded in the roadside. So it rained today, so the roads are even more slippery because of the water coating it. I need to check out the car and I need to get the water bottles from the trunk. Need to do that before it gets dark. Temperature is still below freezing. I'm halfway through. Believe it or not, the pathwalk is actually more slippery than the grass here with ice. There's a layer of water coating or ice coating on the pathwalk, so you have to be mindful where you step on. You see here from the reflection, you can actually see that there's a layer of ice. Got to my car, it's pretty much frozen up. I think if I can manage to get to the center of the road, there's no more ice in there, so I think I can go up. Question is if I can get out of this curbside. I think I can use gravity, but I have to be committed here because this is gonna be all or nothing. If I don't get out of the ditch or the curbside, I might get stuck even more. So my goal is to get in the dark part of the road because there's no ice in there. Cars have been passing by. So I think first what I'm gonna do is to get inside, scrape off the ice, and maybe charge a bit my phone and warm up a little bit.
Yes, I made it! Made it! Woo!
So this is the scene at night when there's no power. People start their car and get in to warm up. I'm here in the patio and you can see all the cars here in the parking lot. And the good thing is we have the propane gas from our camping back in November, and pretty much this is for boiling our water for our soup, and this is boiling snow for just washing, so we can have water for cleaning and washing. We didn't have power in the morning, but power just got back or got restored just a few minutes ago. Sun is back. Ice and snow are melting. It's a beautiful sunny day. I can see the grass. No more snow on this side. Patch of snow in here, but it's the first time we've seen the leaves being blown by the wind and not frozen. But this has been a pretty wild week in my experience, and it's something worth remembering. I want ever forget this, like especially walking through the freezing roads, slippery roads, and trying to even drive it. But yeah, a lot of households in Texas here are still. Hi. I might.
I'm gonna say I might as Which one do you need, sir? Do you need both? I have both with me.
For flushing, I guess. Yeah. Thank you. This is awesome. This is how Texans are. Let me just grab my mask. One sec.
All right, guys.
Appreciate it so much.
Thank you.
You guys are awesome.
Thanks.
So we just had random volunteers help us